All right, y'all, see another pickup from Cleveland Power Performance. Got the bumper, got another spare wheel, got this lower balance piece, and I got a set of red seats that's in here. I'll show y'all them. Pretty nice. Gotta clean these bitches back up. Get that bottom rail replaced. But we got parts seats on the porch, so we good there. Just pick these up. So anybody interested, after I clean these up and replace these bags, I'll have them on my page. Couple days. Y'all see, I'm gonna get them back together. I gotta come back and pick these up because I don't have space today. But bumper done. Getting the dents out. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. And I'll just sand the whole thing and paint it to match the Charger. Y'all see it. All the damage fixed. This was a big old one right there. Pushed in dent. That was a good one right there. There was some good damage down there. Now everything back fixed. Like perfect. There it is. Everything back perfect. So hell yeah, this the new choice, y'all. Y'all know I've been looking for these Sophia seats, or peanut butter, we call it our way. They got the full interior, no blown bags, which is super rare this way. Super rare. But hell yeah, gotta take them back first. These red ones, fix them up. Sell my cat seats out the car. And we swapping these in. They got the door panels and everything, so they looking out for me and holding them for me for a couple days so I can switch some of this inventory out. But yeah, just a quick video for y'all.